Welcome back to our channel, where we dig deep into the best tools for every craftsman, technician, or home DIYer. Whether you're an electrician, gardener, welder, or someone who just loves having the right tool at the right time, today's video titled Top 5 Power and Hand Tools Every DIYer Must Own will give you some of the most versatile and powerful additions for your workshop. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. Crimping Pliers SN. This multifunctional electrical crimping tool is a compact yet powerful solution for all your wiring needs. Designed with European-style pliers and crafted from durable carbon steel, the SN48BS model combines two jaw sets, SN48B and SN28B, allowing you to handle VH 3.96, 2.8 mm, 4.8 mm, and 6.3 mm terminals with ease. Additional variations like SN02C and SN06WF make it suitable for both insulated and non-insulated terminals, including coaxial cable connectors, end sleeves, and more. These pliers are built for electricians who value precision and convenience in one compact tool, perfect for automotive wiring, electronics, and industrial applications. Number 4. Rebar Tying Machine. The LP790 and LP990 cordless rebar tier machines are built for speed and efficiency. Compact, lightweight, and powered by a 12.8V lithium battery, this automatic binding tool can perform up to 1,500 knots per charge. It works on steel bars ranging from 8 mm to 34 mm in diameter, making it ideal for reinforcing mesh, building frameworks, and even tying fruit branches or bamboo strips. It charges in just 2 hours and saves 3 to 5 times the manpower of manual tying. With a tying wire length range of 300 to 650 mm, this tool is both versatile and powerful, a perfect companion for construction professionals and DIY builders alike. Number 3. Spool Gun Torch. Designed for serious welding tasks, this 200A push-pull spool gun features a durable aluminum and nylon construction for added resilience. Built for MIG and MAG welding, the 3M and 5M options allow long-distance reach, making it suitable for high-altitude or wide workspace projects. The torch operates at a 35% duty cycle, giving you consistent power while remaining cool through its efficient air-cooled design. The Euro connector ensures compatibility with various MIG welding machines. Whether you're working on automotive frames, fabrication, or structural repair, this welding torch is a rugged and essential upgrade. Number 2. Cordless Blower Vacuum. From Voci comes a powerful and compact 20V garden blower that doubles as a vacuum cleaner for dust and debris. Weighing only 1.8 kilograms, it's perfect for clearing your workshop, blowing leaves in the garden, or even dusting off your electronics. With a high-speed motor reaching up to 19,000 RPM and an air volume of 2.6 cubic meters per minute, this tool packs a serious punch. It runs on a 20V MTSCR battery system, making it highly compatible with other Voci tools. Built with a sturdy plastic body and turbofan mechanism, it's an excellent addition for cleaning, clearing, and collecting, both indoors and outdoors. Number 1. Wire Stripper Tool. This 8-inch multifunctional tool is a wire stripper, cable cutter, and crimper all in one. Crafted with a zinc alloy head and a CR12 MOV blade, it strips wire in the 24 to 10 AWG, 0.2, 6 mm superscript 2, range with adjustable blade pressure for maximum precision. It also crimps both insulated and non-insulated terminals with high accuracy across multiple sizes, from 0.5 mm superscript 2 to 6.0 mm superscript 2. The PP plus TPR ergonomic handle reduces fatigue during prolonged use, while the high-strength steel blade ensures long-lasting durability. Whether you're an electrician or a DIY repair enthusiast, this tool simplifies complex tasks with one-handed convenience. Each of these 5 tools offers unique capabilities and robust performance across a wide range of tasks. Whether you're upgrading your electrical toolkit, speeding up construction jobs, welding like a pro, or just keeping things clean and efficient, these power and hand tools are built to deliver results you can trust. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.